Hi, Adam from Bespoke Remapping. Out today in Stokesley doing a mobile remap. As you can see, we've got the battery support unit on, which gives us ample power plugged in. Helps when programming on the ECUs. You need it when you're programming mobile. If the battery voltage was to drop, you get problems. So we're out today doing this one, doing a full diagnostic check. We have actually got a fault on this one, so we will talk to the customer, go through it all. You can see there we're doing full health check of the vehicle, which is every module, you can see it. So we've got the auto, which is a decent bit of kit. So this Audi S3 will actually go, if you can see that there, just 305 to 355 and 295 to 352 on the torque. So some good gains for this customer. We get all our mats from Regal Tuning. If you'd like a quote for your Audi, VW Golf, Seat, please check our reviews out, our Facebook reviews. Got over 100 reviews on both platforms, recommendations and reviews, and Google. Just like to do everything properly. Don't get confused with a cheap map. We are good quality maps, trying to bring it to you and doing the job right for your nice car. Thank you very much. Bye bye.